In Health Watch this noon, right now, whooping cough cases are on the rise across the country. Fox's Jason Sloss has more on the rise and how you can stay protected.
San Diego County is seeing a spike in whooping cough cases. 12 cases in September, jumping to 57 in October.
And it looks like we're on pace to possibly beat that in November. For Rady Children's in particular, we had 9 positive tests just here in the past week, and we do have 1 patient that required hospitalization.
Dr. Edmund Milder, an infectious disease specialist at Rady Children's, says pertussis, also known as whooping cough, is hard to detect at first because it starts out as a regular cold.
As the congestion is fading, the cough is just getting worse and worse and worse, and you're having these long bouts of cough where you feel like you can't catch your breath.
He says that can go on for months. The most at risk are children under 6 months, especially newborns who haven't had a pertussis vaccination. While children typically get the sickest, the elderly and those with chronic conditions are also at risk. Doctors recommend staying up to date on vaccinations.
Kids that show up at kindergarten will have had 5 doses of the vaccine if they stay on schedule, and then at 11 to 12 we get a booster, and then adults are all supposed to have a pertussis booster, and that's what's used usually now for your every 10-year tetanus booster is the Tdap vaccine.
Health officials say a spike in pertussis comes around every 3 to 5 years. Precautions taken during the pandemic helped, and this is the first significant spike for San Diego County since then.
The weather brings us closer together, so we're seeing an increase in all the respiratory illnesses. Flu seems to just be arriving. We're definitely to our RSV season. So the same precautions, hand washing, staying home if you're feeling sick, will help us contain these infections and stop their spread.